how do you define product memory when you're talking about it to people?
Well, that's a great question. And I have to admit that the definition is evolving as I work more on this, which is natural. And I never ask about the origins because you can ask Google. Google knows better. But if you go in back to what is product memory, I see product memory as a concept which includes a rich context layer. So it's a context layer. It's a piece of context that describes everything that related to particular product or part or assembly or entire family of products and everything that related to this product across the life cycle or across the scope that you want to discuss. Again, it's not, it's not a specific fixed scope because you can take anything. You can, for example, take a product and say, everything that I know about this product, about history of creation of this product, about decisions that taken about this product, about customers related to this product, about maintenance that was done with this product. I mean, you can scope it. But on the other side, exactly. But on the other side, you can come and say, I have a product which includes mechanical, electronics, and software. And that will be a scope because we just started to design it. And we designed it for the last 3 months and we made some decisions. And we want to know what is related in the memory about these products and design and decisions that we made. So it's not about data. It's about data and all related pieces of information and decision that happens around this.